first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could not teach without students at my side. But then I started thinking how to mark essays online, and I grew strong. And I learned to teach from home. Turn on your cam, can't see your face. I just wanna see you even if your background is outer space. I should have changed my old laptop, should have got myself ready. If I'd known for 1 second COVID's here to bother me, I cannot go. Walk out the door, must turn around now, 'cause I can't go out anymore. Now I'm stuck with Zoom calls saying, can you hear me? Hello, hi, but I won't crumble, 'cause online teaching ain't gonna die, no, not I will survive. As long as I know how to teach, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my tests to give, make all my students grieve. I will survive.